Thankfully, he won't bother us. Sometimes he gets angry when the trams drive by. Norman, there's a set in your backyard. I want to show the people. Oh. Hey, put the knife away and go back in the house. Go back. Don't walk towards the tram with the knife. Norman, don't stab them. Don't. I will tell your mother. Look what he did to the airplane. That's a sharp knife. The airplane crashed right behind the Psycho House. This is a set that was built for Paramount's War of the Worlds with Tom Cruise.
It's all designed around a vision, Stephen. And you sit down and talk about the War of the World. I thought, what if the sun goes down to account right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
Robbie, get in. Get in.
We're going to drive through one more movie set, one more special effect, drop it back off into the theme park. So we're almost home, but for the next few moments, we're still riding around on private property. So if you have any emergency in the next few minutes, don't jump off the tram.